Are you looking for the best stunt scooters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best stunt scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. FREEDARE Pro Scooter. The FREEDARE JB1 Trick Scooter is designed specifically for youth and beginner riders, offering a lightweight yet durable build ideal for freestyle tricks. It features a black color scheme and supports riders up to 220 pounds. With dimensions of 23 inches in length and 4 inches in width, the scooter stands 810 mm tall from the ground to the bar. It's recommended to choose a scooter height between the rider's hip and navel for optimal comfort. The scooter bar measures 32 mm in diameter, 520 mm in width, and 580 mm in height, with width selection based on shoulder width and trick preferences, narrower bars for bar spins and wider bars for no-hand tricks. The 100 mm x 24 mm wheels are made from solid plastic core polyurethane, providing durability, smooth rides, and reduced weight without compromising speed. Weighing just 3.2 kilograms, the scooter is light enough for beginners to learn tricks with ease. Its deck measures 100 mm wide by 582 mm long and includes a one-piece welded fork connection capable of handling up to 1,800 pounds of impact. Constructed from aircraft-grade 6061 T6 heat-treated aluminum with a MN steel rear brake, it balances strength and performance. Riders are advised to avoid water, sand, and humidity to maintain the scooter's longevity, and all bolts should be retightened regularly. The FREEDARE support team is available to assist within 24 hours if any issues arise. Number 2. Limit LMT08 Pro. The Limit LMT08 Stunt Scooter is an ideal choice for kids aged 7 to 12 who are eager to perform tricks like the pros. Featuring a vibrant blue color and built with professional-grade specs, it offers a perfect blend of safety, durability, and comfort. The scooter supports riders up to 220 pounds and has dimensions of 26.5 inches in length, 19.5 inches in width, and 32 inches in height, with a total height of 800 mm, ideal for young riders. It comes with high-strength chromoly handlebars measuring 21.7 inches high and 19.5 inches wide, fitted with soft grips to reduce vibration and improve comfort during use. The 110 mm x 24 mm wheels are made of aluminum and PU, paired with ABEC 9 bearings for a smooth, fast ride. For safety, a durable yet lightweight nylon and steel brake allows quick stops, reducing the risk of accidents. The deck is crafted from aircraft-grade 7003 aluminum, measuring 19 inches long and 4.3 inches wide, and strengthened through the T6 heat treatment process for enhanced durability. With 95% of the scooter pre-assembled out of the box, it's quick to set up and ready for action, making it a fantastic gift for adventurous boys and girls. Number 3. VOKUL K1 Pro. The VOKUL K1 Pro Scooter is designed for big kids and intermediate to advanced riders aged 8 and up who are ready to take their tricks to the next level. With a sleek, neo, oil-slick finish, this stunt scooter supports up to 220 pounds and measures 22.5 inches long, 20 inches wide, and 32 inches high. Built tough for rough use, it features custom components like solid 110 mm alloy neo chrome wheels, high rebound 88 APU tires, a one-piece T4-T6 fork, and a durable T6061 aluminum deck. The scooter glides smoothly and quietly thanks to its ABEC 9 precision bearings, offering the highest accuracy in its class, and noise-free brakes for safe stopping. Its oversized aluminum handlebars, 22.3 inches by 23.5 inches, are wrapped with thick 145 mm soft rubber grips for superior comfort and control. Kids will stand out at the skatepark not only with the scooter's performance but also its striking design and cool graphics. Assembly is simple, just tighten the 3-bolt clamp and you're ready to ride. Plus, it comes securely packaged to avoid shipping damage. The VOKUL K1 also includes a 6-month manufacturing defect warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, making it a risk-free purchase backed by excellent customer service. Number 4. Limit LMT08 V2. The Limit LMT08 Pro Trick Scooter is a high-performance choice for riders aged 8 and up, designed for safety, comfort, and durability. Featuring a sleek silver finish, this scooter is the product of years of testing and refinement by riders around the world. It weighs just 3.5 kilograms, 7.9 pounds, making it lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle intense tricks and stunts. The 127mm x 520mm deck is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum with T6 heat treatment, offering both strength and ample standing space. The 115mm x 26mm aluminum and PU wheels are fitted with high-precision ABEC 9 bearings and 88A high-return PU, featuring a hole designed for better grip and reduced weight. One of the standout features is the high-modulus alloy handlebar, which weighs only 0.9 kilograms yet is nearly 50% stronger than regular bars, usually seen on high-end custom scooters. Measuring 25.6 inches by 22 inches, it's ideal for teens and adults alike. Assembly is quick and easy, with 98% of the scooter pre-assembled. Just insert the handlebar and tighten the clamp screws. With a 6-month warranty covering key components, T-bar, deck, fork, clamp, and wheel core, and responsive customer service within 24 hours, the Limit LMT08 offers a reliable, pro-level experience for dedicated riders. Number 5. Playshion Pro Scooter. The Playshion TYD Pro Scooter is a top-tier choice for advanced and professional riders seeking durability, precision, and smooth performance. Designed for adults and riders aged 7+, it features a foldable, alloy steel frame that supports up to 250 pounds while weighing only 3.9 kilograms, 8.6 pounds, striking the perfect balance between strength and portability. With a sleek 36-inch TYD color design, it's built to impress in both street and park environments. The scooter is equipped with 120mm PU wheels with aluminum cores and ABEC 9 precision bearings, offering fast, smooth, and wobble-free rides thanks to the fully sealed headset and HIC compression system. A thick forged aluminum fork enhances strength and stability, while the flexible nylon foot brake ensures noise-free, responsive stopping. For added control and safety during aggressive maneuvers, the deck features high-traction anti-slip grip tape. With dimensions including a 35.4-inch total height, 22.8 handlebar width, 20.2 deck length, and 4.7 deck width, the TYD scooter is optimized for stunt riding. Assembly is quick and easy, just tighten the clamp and 2 nuts, and you're ready to ride. Plus, with easy access to replacement parts, the Playshion TYD ensures long-lasting performance for serious trick scooter enthusiasts.